Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Sealoom, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to Aristocrat, the stately mitered style that brings class to any ceiling. To start, yeah, these tiles are plastic, and that's a good thing. Aristocrat 2x2 tiles and 2x4 ceiling panels are made from our Featherlight Series 13,000 stick rigid vinyl, which makes them lighter, easier to clean, and more versatile than any ceiling tile you've ever seen or felt before. First, don't let their weight fool you. This thermoform design, combined with the inherent strength of vinyl, makes these tiles rigid, durable, and incredibly easy to install and maintain. Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Green Guard Gold certified for indoor air quality, and made right here in the USA. Aristocrat's distinctive lines have been gracing the ceilings of oak paneled dens, libraries, boardrooms, and living rooms for decades. Available in 12 designer colors and finishes, they're also pretty easy on the eyes. Installing couldn't be easier. Simply pop them into your standard 1-inch T-bar grid system. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size border sections. For those, you'll need to choose a separate border tile. Our Century ceiling tiles are the perfect border partner. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please do not hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Sealoom.